I wanted to share with you a little bit about cupping or tapping. It's important to maintain a cupped hand, okay? A hollow hand. You are creating a shock wave that's gentle. So in other words, you can hit the body really hard without hurting it. With a proper cupped hand, you can create a therapeutic shock wave that moves the sediment, the sludge that's in your lymphatic system. So using those cupped hands on the chest, obviously be careful, ladies. To the hips. And down the front of the thighs, inside the legs, be careful. Back up the body. Down the lower back. Down the buttocks, really important. There's a lot of stagnant energy builds up here. A lot of hip problems with people. Then the backs of the legs. Back up the inside. So support one elbow with the other hand. And then top of the shoulders. And then let go, and the arm. Outside of the arm. Also very useful for those people who've suffered with lymphatic issues. Obviously being careful, you can go underneath the armpits. So what does it do? It creates that cushion of air, sends a shock wave in, disperses stagnation. So sediment, particles in your bloodstream that are not being filtered correctly, shakes them up. So you need to drink plenty of fluid. I prefer a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt into a litre of water, fresh lemon juice, knock it back just to accelerate the effects of the cupping. It's called PEIFA, that's the technique. Thanks for watching. Anthony Monteith, Chi Life Academy, healer in every household.